In terms of the desktop, there's been some major changes in the ways you can work in MATLAB, and this is called the Live Editor. Now, before release 2016A, when you worked in MATLAB, you had a plain text editor, and if you coded in MATLAB, you'll be familiar with the green text as comments, the black text as code. You could output things to the command window. You could have multiple figures to visualize images or plot data. And if you knew how to do it, you could get equations to render correctly with special syntax. As of release 2016A, we introduced something called the Live Editor. And this is really a notebook style of working that contains not only your MATLAB code and its outputs, but formatted text, pictures, hyperlinks, really whatever it is you need to tell your story, to communicate effectively. Some of the key features of Live Editor notebooks include sections, just like we had sections in the traditional editor, but now you can view the output of your code right in line, right next to the code that you're actually typing. So it brings the idea of cause and effect all right into one place, especially if you're sharing your code with someone who's never seen it before. As I mentioned before, you can add rich formatting to these notebooks. This would include pictures and hyperlinks and really whatever information, background information you need to tell your story. And most recently, we've added interactive controls to do things like set up variables for a range of values or select a variable value from a drop-down menu, which really increases the amount of interaction you can have with these notebooks and share or communicate your ideas. And animations and plots is also something that just came out. So if this is important to visualize what's going on, you can animate information to, again, convey the message you're trying to do. And this is all done right inside the Live Editor. What about sharing these things? Well, you certainly can share live scripts inside of MATLAB with other people who have MATLAB, but you can also take them out of MATLAB. And that could be things like creating PDF files or Word documents, or even publish them to HTML or LaTeX. So you can make these very nicely looking collections of your work and then share them with people whether they're in or outside of MATLAB. In terms of coding features, we put a lot of thought into how this works. And this includes contextual hints. So as you start typing out a function with a couple of input arguments, and as you get into the syntax, MATLAB will suggest for you what's there. So you don't have to go back to the documentation every time to remember. This can be very helpful, especially if there are a lot of name value pairs you want to use. You can automatically generate code, and this is an idea or a theme we'll see throughout the MATLAB platform. But the idea is that you interact with MATLAB and do things interactively once, and then it gives you back the equivalent code for that interactive work you did. So in this case, I modified a plot, and then the equivalent code was echoed back to me so I could pick it up and put it into my script and move forward. You can debug live scripts and functions. So just like we in the traditional editor, if you put a breakpoint in, you can now do the same thing with live scripts, which makes it very handy for debugging. And you can do some pretty slick coding modifications. You can select basically a series of variables and modify these things all at once. So if you have large sections of code you want to modify, instead of clicking through one at a time, we've added some utility around that. And now you can take a block of code and you can refactor that into a function. So if you're working on a script and you're just trying out ideas and you decide, hey, this is going to be reused, you can now refactor that into a function, and MATLAB will automatically package that into a function. It'll determine your inputs and outputs from your syntax. And with functions, you can have very nice editing and formatting of these things. So if you do plan on sharing them with other people, you can really convey the idea that you're trying to put out there. In terms of equation editing, the Live Editor supports equations, so you can type out whatever you need to. These would be static equations, and just have those right there in your script, right in place, and not have to bring these in from somewhere else. If you're a keyboard person like myself, we've added a lot of thought into usability of live scripts, and this includes a lot of thought around keyboard shortcuts, so that as you get comfortable with live scripts, you'll become more efficient with keyboard shortcuts over time as you create new ones. This is just a subset. There's also a full list here at the link at the bottom of the page.